Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right mesh size and strength for what you plan to carry or launder, because material and weave dictate airflow and abrasion resistance. Once chosen, inspect seams and zippers and close every fastener to prevent snags. This protects both the bag and contents. Then load items loosely, no more than 80% full, so air circulates and water or detergent reaches each piece. This step speeds drying and reduces wear versus cramming everything in. Now you move into washing and upkeep. Place the mesh bag in the machine on a 30 degrees C gentle cycle with mild detergent because harsh chemicals and high heat degrade fibers. Once done, remove and reshape, air dry flat, or hang away from direct high heat to preserve elasticity and prevent shrinkage. Make sure to treat stains quickly. Hand rinse with detergent on stubborn spots before machine washing next time. This prevents permanent discoloration and keeps seams from weak. To finish, dry the mesh bag completely and store it in a breathable spot to prevent mold. Dry storage preserves fiber strength and odor control. If you find small holes, repair them with nylon thread or an adhesive patch to extend service life, because preventing larger tears is easier than replacing the bag. If the zipper jams, gently lubricate with a dry bar soap or paraffin and work it slowly. If repairs fail, replace the bag before it compromises contents or causes tangling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.